What's up, fall? Happy Thanksgiving to all you Canadians out there. This weekend is Thanksgiving weekend. It's October 9th. It's time to get ready for winter. So did the winter tire swap today. Got a couple of my winters that are on my OEM wheels, the 17-inch, that are worn like right to the marker. So gonna be shopping for some winter tires, and at the same time we're gonna get ready for winter. And so a lot of you have been watching the channel for a while. There's a bunch of stuff I do every winter, and so coming up in another video we'll have a full-on winter setup, winter tune, all the things I do for winter in the FRS to drive this beast through the snow and ice. You know, when it gets down to minus 20, I'll be I'll be loving it. Sarcasm. But let's get into this tire video. Let's change some tires. What's up, YouTube? Back in business. October, is it the 9th today? By this time last year, we'd already had 2 major snowstorms. And so believe it or not, in Calgary, October 9th is super late to get our winter tires on. But this week, temperatures below freezing. So it's time. My winters are almost shot, so I'm going to do some shopping for some winters. Fronts are okay, but the rears could be replaced. And check out this year's Nitto wear. And that's performance tire for you. Believe it or not, 2 or 3 mils is probably lots right now for this tire. Rears were new. Summers have lasted 2 years because, thanks to Corona, hardly drove this year. So that's the project for today. And anyone who's new to the channel, every year when I do this, I put these stock wheels back on. The 17s with the old 215 45 tires actually sit lower. And so unfortunately, my car is actually lower than it is with my summer wheels. So maybe later, if it actually snows, we'll do a adjustment for the suspension and jack it up a few inches. So winter wheels back on. I've got the OEM wheels, the 17s on. Those tires, the spec is a 215, 45, 17. And that 45 sidewall, immediately, like, I forget how smooth my car is when I'm running on stock wheels. You know, I've got such a low profile on my raised wheels that I'm getting shocked and bumped all the time. You know, the performance and the handling, the responsiveness is incredible. But I can't roll over a bump in the asphalt without shocking my spine. And every time I get these old little wheels back on, it's like I'm driving 4x4. So first impression, awesome. Reminder for anyone, if you've had your wheels away for the summer, go check the pressures. Typically a tire at normal temperature will lose 1 pound per month. So fully expect these drop from, you know, 35 down into like high 20s. So I'm gonna pump these up. If you don't know, in Calgary area, co-op garages have free air. So we're gonna go hit up co-op for some free air, maybe a car wash, and hope it doesn't snow. Let's do this. So you probably know already, don't trust these gas station air pressure settings. Get yourself tire gauge, as expected. Running about 5 or 6 pounds under, should be 35. you can check your tire spec inside your door well on the driver's side. Just gonna air these up, probably all the same.